Hi, I'm Joe from Burn Homes. Today's a good exciting day. It's been 10 years in the making. We are doing our first manufactured cassette flooring install on site in an architectural home. The benefit of the cassette flooring and off-site manufacturing means that we can get the house built faster and also get it closed in and with a tight way quicker than we would have with conventional construction. Just getting it done. We're using the eco-ply barrier on our frames installed in the factory so that as soon as they're stood, we are weather tight. We're always looking for ways that we can push the boundaries and try new things in construction, not just in our design, but in getting things done on site.